Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove background music in CapCut. In order to do this, you first have to launch your CapCut mobile application. After that, you need to tap on the new project and then you need to select your video from which you want to remove your background. After selecting the video, you just have to tap on it and then you just have to swipe to the left and you just have to try to find the option of extract audio. Once you have found extract audio, you simply need to tap on it, and after waiting for some time, you will be able to see that your audio is now extracted. Now you just have to tap on the audio, then you just have to swipe to the left and you simply need to tap on the copy button in order to copy this audio. After that, you just have to long press the second audio and you need to place it under the first audio. Once done, you just have to align them both. After doing so, you will have to first select the first audio and then you just have to swipe to the left and try to find the option of voice isolation. Now the voice isolation is a pro feature, so you can get the CapCut Pro trial and from there you will be able to see the voice isolation tab. So you just have to tap on voice isolation and after that you just have to tap on keep vocals. Then you need to select the second audio. Then again you need to tap on voice isolation and then you need to tap on remove vocals. Once I've done that, you just have to select the second audio and after that you need to tap on reduce noise. Then you need to turn the toggle button on right next to the reduce noise and then you need to press check. Once done, your background music or your background noise will be removed from your video. After that, you can tap on this arrow button in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to export your video. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.